Abid have my voice. Also, Fatima is here. Okay. And Bahadur. Nice. And Roqaye and Donya. So, literally most of you are active and have my voice and my webcam. Okay. That's cool. I'm super duper happy to be here with another day with you here. All right. So let's get started with how you feel today. So please describe your feeling or your mood today in 3 words in the public chat, or you can turn on your microphone and describe. So in 3 words, tell me how you feel. Abid is fine. Okay. My 3 words would be, I don't know, delighted, energetic, and grateful. That's how I feel, I mean. Fatima said, I'm really great. Negar felt great. Oh, Negar feels great, right? Okay. And Mina is grateful. Okay. Mina, you know we don't write grateful like that. And Roqaye is grateful and delighted. Yes. Roqaye, that's how we write the word grateful. Thanks. Okay. Let's see how others feel. Shahrzad said, I'm happy and tired. Shahrzad, it's the early morning. مگر اینکه you haven't slept from the last night. And Mujtaba said, I'm great and a little tired. Mujtaba and Shahrzad, both of them are tired. Bahadur is fine. Okay. اون پشه که هفته پیش اینجا بود هنوزم هست. عمر پشه چقدر میگه. Donya is great and a little tired and happy to see you again. Same here, Donya. Thanks for the positive energy. Nahid said, I'm tired and I have low energy. Okay. Mahsa said, enthusiastic, fine, and sleepy. So guys, most of you are sleepy and tired here, but I hope by the end of this class, you'll get the energy and you'll get motivated and you'll start a new Friday. So let's get started and see what you guys remember from our last session. So shoot and tell me what you remember.
Hello, teacher. I hope you have a great time.
Thank you very much. Of course I do. I always have a great time.
Okay, about the letters that we learned before, I mean in last Friday, was about 7 letters. One of them was A, D, G, Q, C, E, and O. And actually, in the previous session, I mean before last session, we learned about the lines. For example, the baseline, the descending, ascending, and something like that, and about the pans, point pan, or I can't remember the other, and the history of the letter of the handwriting, and also we learn in this class about the cursive handwriting, and that's it.
Oh my god, Donya, that was a complete version. Even like me that I taught this session, I couldn't give such a complete review over the last sessions. But thank you very much. You always really rock, and thanks. No problem, Alireza. And Roqaye said, what does calligraphy mean? Calligraphy means خوشنویسی. and we are in this class to learn English calligraphy. We want to learn how to write beautifully in English. All right? You're welcome, Ragaya. So these are the letters we learned last session, right? Let me choose a name. Negar, can you turn your microphone on?
Yes, teacher, sure.
Of course. Thank you very much. Good morning. Can you read these letters for me? What is this number one?
A,
Mm-hmm.
D, G, Q, C, E, and O.
Yes, thank you very much. Loads of thanks, Negar. And let me see another one. Huria, we've got you here. Can you turn on your microphone?
Hi, teacher.
Hayum alaikum. Are you fine?
Thank you, and how are you?
Oh, thank you very much. Somebody asked me how I feel. I'm super duper delighted. So, would you tell me the name of these 7 strokes?
Yes. The first one is an interest stroke.
Yes.
And next one is drop stroke.
Sure.
The third one is underturn stroke. And overturn.
Yes.
Ascending lobe. Descending lobe, and compound curve.
Yes. Number 7 is the compound curve. Loads of thanks, Huria. You guys literally remember a lot of things from the last sessions, and that's really great. So these are the groups of alphabets, right? And last session, we checked group number 1. I mean, we learned letters A, D, G, Q, C, E, O. We learned all these 7 letters. And today we have group number 2 and group number 3 to learn, right? So we are going to learn these 2 groups, then write some words with them and get the ball rolling. So let's see group number 2. I would come here. Yes, Abed. Abed, have you got a question?
Yes, hello teacher.
Hayum alaikum.
I have a question. I couldn't learn 3 letters like code, good, and dog. Can you write it? I cannot connect each other. O, double O.
Double O, so we can write the word good, right?
Yeah, good and code.
Okay, so I would write the word good right now in here. And Abed, thank you for asking. We would always do this in here. So let me choose the color red and let's go. So we have an entrance, a stroke, a drop. Oh my God, I have to do it again. The mouse here is so slippery. So the entrance, a stroke, the drop, the descending loop. This is the first O. You come over here, right? And then from here, you make the second drop and come here. And here is the last drop for letter D. And it's how we write the word good. It's not a good because I wrote it so fast and the mouse is so slippery, but the connections between them is just like that. Like we have this one, I'm making it purple, and this one, I'm making it purple. These 2 are the connectors between the letters. So let's get started with the new words we want to learn. Also, do you remember how much space we need between the letters in a word?
Yes, a drop.
Yes, exactly. We need 1 drop of a space between the letters. And this same drop would be applied here, and it's exactly one drop of a space between the letters. That's right.
Teacher, I have a question.
Excuse me?
Yes. Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Thanks. Teacher, for a group, we have one drop between. We have one drop between a double O space.
Yes, that's right. This is the word good, and this is the one drop space we have in between the letter O's, right?
Oh, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, yes.
About the letter D in good, I thought, I remember the first part of it was from the baseline, but here we have the first part of D from O.
Yes. That's true. That's actually a good thing to say. Let me write letter D one more time here. See, this is letter D, right? We have two forms for it. Let me duplicate it in here. Okay. So usually for some letters, we come from the baseline to make letter D, and usually when it comes after the letters like O and W, it comes from the top and we connect to letter D, right? این قسمت قرمزش دست خودمونه و بستگی داره حرف قبلش چیه, right? It depends on what the last letter is so that we can connect it to the next letter. But that was a nice question, and thank you for asking.
Welcome, teacher. Teacher,
Okay.
please can you type that page? I want to get photo from it.
This one.
Yes. Thank you.
You are welcome. Also, let me see if I can do it here. Yes, I made the PDF downloadable, and if you tap on the three dots on the corner of the slides, you can download all of the slides and then you can practice at home. So, what do we have in group number 2? Can you read the letters?
I,
No, the first one is not I.
N,
L, yes, it's L.
L.
Okay. Uh-huh.
P. No.
B,
H. No.
Wait. This one was L, right? After L, we have B,
H,
H.
and after B, we have H. Yes, that's right.
K.
And K, perfect.
F.
And F. Yes, that's right. So, why do you think all of these 5 letters are in the same group? I mean, what do they share in common?
Because all of them are
a drop up under the line.
That's true. What is the name of that stroke? You remember?
A stroke. Wait a minute.
ascending.
Ascending.
Yes, ascending. That's right. So this comes from here under the header line. It goes up, it makes a turn, and it comes down. This is the ascending loop that is the same in all of these 5 letters, right? So between the letters L, B, H, K, and F, which one do you think is the easiest one to do?
L,
Of course, the easiest. And which one is the most difficult?
F.
Actually, as you like pay closer attention, letter F is the longest letter of alphabet? Or Ruqayya said letter B is the hardest. Letter F comes from this line all the way to this line at the bottom. Do you remember the name of the lines? What was the line at the top?
Header line.
No, the one at the very top. Ascending, yes. We have ascending line. And what was the name at the bottom?
Descending.
Descending.
Yes. Descending line. Okay. So letter F, as you can see, connects the ascending to the descending, so it's like the longest letter of alphabet. So we would start with letter L. We would start learning the letters with letter L. Let's trace it once. Where do we have to start from? Is it on top of header line or under the header line?
Under the headline.
Yes, that's right. So from under the header line, we would start and go all the way up until we meet the ascending line. Then we would make it turn to the left, right? And we would come down until we meet the, what is this line? This thick line, bold line at the bottom?
Descending. Descending line.
This line.
Baseline.
Baseline, And after you get to the baseline, you make another turn and you come up with 45 degrees, right? So let's do letter L one more time together. So from under the header line, you start from here, you go up, make a turn, come down and finish it, right? So easy peasy lemon squeezy, and this is how we write letter L.
Teacher,
Yes, Donia?
actually, I have a weak point in my opinion. That was I get to myself some reference. For example, the I don't know what the name of it.
Okay.
So I start from that, or for example, when I want to write letter A, I try to write it between two cross line and something like that. And also for L, I want to choose the cross line for the خط مورب, I don't know.
Slant, yes.
Yeah, slant. I don't know if it is the weak point or not, because just in this way I can write them.
Dunya, it would be better if you don't use these slant lines. You mean like this third L I wrote here, right? It's exactly on the slant line, so this way you can make sure the angle is exactly right, yes?
Yes.
Like later, after we finish practicing, we don't want to use the slant lines anymore. You want to like write in real paper in your notebook. And there you have no slant lines. So if you move it a little bit and write it between the lines, it would be much better for you. Okie dokie. So, guys, tell me 3 points we have to consider when we want to write letter L. So, what is point number 1?
We start under the line.
Yes, that's right. So the first point, we start from under the header line with 45 degrees and we finish it again with 45 degrees, right? So let me write the numbers. You start with 45 and you also finish with 45, right? Okay. And point number 2.
The drop should touch the ascending line.
Yes. So on top of this drop or on top of this loop, we touch ascending line. Exactly, we should touch it. Yes. And point number, also for point number 2, we can also say this overlap of the lines. Where is it?
I think it's the middle of the line.
It's exactly on the header line, yes.
Header line, yes.
Yes, Huria. So this is the header line and the overlap point is exactly on the header line. Okay? And what could be point number 3 to consider?
Teacher, we after drop we come down until to baseline.
Yes, that's right. So we must touch the baseline. Or one more point, I can say this loop should not be thin and this loop should not be fat, right? So we need exactly this much space in between the loop, right? Okay. Also, there is a point number 4 that let me add for letter L, and this is the same for all the letters we're going to learn today in group number 4, I mean. Okay, there is the 4th point that we have 2 turns in letter L. One turn on the top and one turn at the bottom, right? So this turn and this turn on the top and at the bottom, both of them must be the same, right? So we have these 4 points that when you're writing the letter L, you have to consider, right? So if you're done with letter L and you write an L which has all these 4 points, we can move on and we can go to the next letter. So if you're done, type the word done in public chat so we can move on. Okay, let me also take a picture of this slide. Okay, so now I have it. And okay, so you're done. We can move on. It's letter B. See, it's exactly letter L. اصلا فکر کنین همون L اونو داریم, right? I mean, this is letter L. But with the difference. After you moved up and came down, right, you have to touch the header line. And after you touched, you need this. You'd come down and do a knot in here, right? So let me make all of it green. This is how letter B would look like. So you would move up. You start from under the header line. You'd move up. After you touch the ascending line, you make a loop and come back. After you touch the baseline like this, you make another turn and retouch the header line and make a knot. So this would be letter B.
Teacher, I have a question.
Sure.
Between the first drop and second drop, we have the same size.
Yes, that's right. Actually, the turn we have on the top and the turn we have at the bottom are totally the same. Yes.
Teacher, about the last part of the letter B, it should be, about the angle, it should be 45 degree or?
Yes. No, also nice question, Donya. We start all the letters with 45 degrees and we finish them with 45 degrees.
Thank you.
Like for all of the letters, it's always the same.
Teacher,
Yes?
I can't exactly the same size of both this drop.
Not exactly, but try to make them the same, okay?
Is it okay?
Yes, that's okay. حالا هر چقدر the same تر بهتر. Okay, so if you're done with letter B, type letter B in public chat. Continue. Yes.
I think the second drop is like this, maybe circle, not drop. Because of that, I can the same size.
Yes, Negar, that's true. It's not a complete drop, it's just a half drop, Okay, so Ruqayya and Mujtaba are done with letter B. Can we move on? Yes, also Dunya is done. Also, guys, you know this fact. که كل letter B must be موازی with a slant line, right? So it must be parallel. Don't forget this point, okay? All right. So if you're done with your X, move on to the next, right? And the only X I want, you don't know this song? Is X.
Yes, I know.
Oh, Huria knows it. All right. So, also Ruqayya knows. Yes, the only X I want is extra money. Okay, so this is letter H that we're going to learn. So tell me which two letters are connected to each other and make letter H.
Ascending and compound.
Compound curve, yes. So this is the ascending loop. That's right. And this is the compound curve that we have in here. So let's write it one more time on the guidelines that we have. This is the ascending loop. And this is the compound curve.
Teacher, can you review the degree of the angle of the compound? I forgot.
Yes, of course. So let's start from the beginning. This would be, let me change the size. Okay. This would be our, wait. So this is the ascending loop, right? Which is exactly parallel to slant line. Then for the compound curve, we move up with 45 degrees تا برسیم به header line, right? حالا exactly دوباره parallel to the slant line, I mean 60 degrees, it would move down and then you'd make another turn and go up with 45 degrees. So this is how letter H would look like.
Yeah, I have a question.
Sure.
I watched some post on your Instagram, and some of your students write really fast. But about first time or maybe last week, when I write this handwriting calligraphy, I can't write fast. I can slowly. But
Yes.
now I can write faster than last week.
Of
Is
course,
it or we should write slow or fast? I don't know exactly.
About your writing speed, Negar, there is a point that first we focus on writing correctly. Doesn't matter fast or slow. We have to write correctly. And after we learned all the letters of the alphabet, now you would like unintentionally write all of them fast. And اصلا خودش ناخودآگاه سریع میشه. ولی فعلا فقط فوکس اونو میذاریم روی صحیح نویسی, right? So it doesn't matter if you write them fast or slow, we need them to be done correctly. So فقط about letter H, there is one point that I have to mention. This is letter H. And tell me, where is the overlap point of these two strokes, the ascending loop and the compound curve? Where is the overlap?
Compound?
The overlap of compound curve and ascending loop. This purple point I'm like showing you. Where should it be?
In the middle of, under the header line, we have a line, middle of the...
In the middle of, به اون فاصله چی میگفتیم between the baseline and the header line?
height.
X height, yes, that's right. So in the middle of the X height, these two lines have an overlap, right? یعنی تقریبا after you finished this ascending loop, تا وسط X height از روی خودش مییم بالا, right? This red part until the middle of X height you come up, and then you draw the next steps of letter H. So it's how we write letter H. Also in letter H we have three turns that all of them must be the same, right? So I'm showing them with color red in here. So this is the first turn, second turn, and third turn. All of these three must exactly be the same. So 1, 2, and 3. These three dots I'm showing you with color red must be the same. So if you're done with your X, we can move on to the next. But Ruqayya knows what is the only X we want. Alright. So, yes, Negar.
I have a problem with the three of the degrees. between 45 degrees and 60 and 45 degrees. I think some of the words are near together. For example, after the middle of the x height is really near to the 60 degrees, and then the
Yes.
yes.
That's true, Nega, yes. See, there are like 3 lines that are 45 degrees. I'm showing you with color red. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. All of these 3 lines are 45 degrees. And we have 2 lines that are 60 degrees. And I'm showing you with purple color. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. So 2 lines are 60 degrees and 3 lines are 45. And that's how we write it. Okay. So let's move on to letter K. Guys, letter K is a little bit challenging. So let's do it all step by step. So grab your pens, do whatever I'm doing, and we can write letter K correctly. So in order to start, first you do a ascending loop. And this is the perfect ascending loop we want, right? که لوپ بالاشم, not fat, not thin. It must look like this. After you did the ascending loop, I hope all of you are done with your ascending loop. Now, تا وسط x height که از روی خودش, you would come up to here, and then you would touch the header line. I mean, it would be like this. You know. So the purple one is the step 1, the red one is the step 2. And you remember this point, middle of x height? We make a turn and touch the green point again. So you make a turn and touch this part. So the green one is a step number 3. Okay, and with color orange, I would write step number 4. You touch the baseline at the bottom and you come up. This is the 4th move you make, right? And all of these 4 steps would make letter K, right? I can write letter K one more time so you can see it. First, we have this ascending loop like this, right? Then you'd come up and touch the header line. Right? Then we would make a stroke back to where we started. We touch baseline and we're done. So this is exactly how letter K looks like. Okay? So let's have a review. What letters did we learn so far? We learned 4 letters. Can you say them for today?
L, the second
yes.
V, H, and K.
Yes, that's right. Also, Ali Reza and Ismail are typing in public chat. Let me see if they do it correctly. Oh, I mean Ismaili. L, B, K, and H, Rogaya, right? G is hard. Ali Reza, actually, we learned letter G last session, and it's not hard. We have one entrance to stroke, we have one drop at the bottom, like this, and then you'd come down and finish it. I mean, this is how letter G looks like. You're welcome. خب.
What of the part, the orange part, I mean the fourth part of
What?
the angle of the orange part of K?
This number 4?
Yes.
I think I told you that we start all of the letters with 45 degrees and we finish all of the letters with 45 degrees. So it's 45.
The first part of 4?
This first part doesn't really matter.
Uh-huh.
I mean, this blue part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't matter. You're welcome, Donya. So let's move to letter F. And this is the final letter of group number 1. Shaqaiq said, please write letter K again. Okay, let's write letter K again. Shaqaiq, Negar. Your last name is Shaqaiq, that's nice. First, we make an ascending loop, which looks like this. Then we touch the header line in here. Then we touch the middle point at the middle of X height. You touch the baseline and then you finish it. That's letter K. So now we can write the letter book. You know.
Teacher, what is the difference between two drops?
Between the two drops, actually this little small drop is much smaller, this one at the bottom.
Okay, so these are not same.
No, they're not the same, no. This one at the bottom is smaller, and this one at the top is bigger. Okay.
Teacher, I have a question.
Machine, of course.
Is it not different between capital K or a small K?
Yes, there is. Actually, Nushin, we will learn the capital letters next session. No, next session. I mean, 2 sessions later, we will start capital letters. And capital K would look like this. You first have this, then this, and then this. So this green one is capital K and the blue one is lowercase k.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome, Nushin. So now it's time to write letter F, right? And I told you letter F is the longest letter of the alphabet. So we start off with an ascending loop. ولی خب با این difference که you don't stop here. You have to continue all the way down until you meet descending line, right? And as soon as you want, like you're getting closer to this line, you make a turn. And in here, you make it a loop, right? Let me do it with more focus. No. Yes, until you get here. And after you get here, we come up until the middle of X height and we draw a smiley face. And this a smiley face that is with color red is exactly in the middle of X height. So this is letter F. Also, if I turn on the fill mode, yes. This drop that we have at the top and this drop that we have at the bottom are totally the same size. Yes. So the drop at the bottom and the drop at the top are totally the same.
Sure, we don't need the space between I mean about the smile part. We need the space or not, because I can show you وسط کلمه F یا مثلث.
Yes, I can see it. You mean this part?
Yes.
Yes, we need to have a little bit of a space right there. Thanks for seeing it, actually. خب. It was letter F, and now we're done with letters of group number 2, right? So far we learned letters of group number 1 that you can see at the top. We have A, D, G, Q, C, E, O, and letters of group number 2, which are L, B, H, K, F. So guys, in the public chat, can you tell me some words that we can write with these letters?
To had.
Had, yes, that's right. Huria said head, that's right. Mahsa said hook.
Lab.
Yes,
Lab.
also lab, yes. You mean laboratory, right? Fatima said bag.
Can I ask a question?
Coach, yes, Shahrzad, why not?
Because I wasn't in class last week, I have a question. In group number 1, number 3 and number 4 are both of them G?
No, number 3 is G and number 4 is Q.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. You can practice them later and send me the picture and I can check them for you. So, too many words. Mahsa said coach, Nushin said feed, Mojtaba said think, yes, think, no, we cannot write think, Mojtaba. We didn't learn I and we didn't learn N. Amir said black, yes, Huria said fake and lake, yes, Mahsa said glad, Huria said leg, we have a foot, back, dead, yes. So, as you can see, we have a big range of words that we can write right now. And here are also some of them. We have ahead, black, back, look, feel, fold, fake, face, head, dead, cool, cold, and luck. Yes, also, Donia, we have the word call. So, now we have a big list of words we can write. I can give you a little bit of time. You can practice writing 1 or 2 of them. Then we would start with the next group of letters. So I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes of time. You can practice writing these words. Guys, if you wrote any words, you can show them to me. You can turn on your webcams and show them in your webcams, or you can send me the pictures in my PV and I can show them to everyone.
Teacher, could you please write letter E again?
Letter E, of course.
Yes.
It's the easiest one ever. You'd come up, you make a turn, and you finish it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Teacher, may you zoom out the page? Thanks a lot.
Teacher, I sent my picture in your Telegram.
Okay, thank you. I will show it to everyone right now.
Teacher, is it not very well? And you check this.
Of course it is. Why not? So guys,
Teacher,
this is...
can we have your ID for Telegram?
Yes, sure. So this is Negar's word. I can't see it myself. Yes. As you can read it, it's the word feel, right? Also, I saw the word fee that you can see in here, and both of them look so good. And let me type my...
Teacher, could you write a black and fake?
Yes.
Thank you.
Black and fake, not both of them. We can write just one of them. So this would be, we have letter F in here. We can just write letter fake, the word fake, I mean. We would come up. We'll put a letter A in here. It's so slippery. Okay, so K would be with the color green. And this is letter E. So now you can see we have the word fake.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, Huria. Oh guys, Donya wrote the word black and it's like so good. I can show it to you here. This is the word black and I can see no problem in it. It's like super duper perfect. Donya, great work. And also we have Abed in here. Oh, Abed wrote too many words. Can you read which words he wrote? We have the word face, feel.
Feel.
Yes. Face and feel. All of them are face and feel. And all of them look so good, don't they? They're good, Abed. You did a nice job. No, it's for Roham. No, Roham said I'm Abed. Okay.
Thank you, teacher. It's okay, teacher. It was okay.
Yes, of course, it's great. And we have Fatima. Fatima, where are you in the class? I can see your handwriting is so nice. Feel, look, and face. These are so good.
Thank you, teacher.
Oh, you are Fatima Gudarzi. Okay. Okay, I didn't know who you are. And we have from Ali Reza. Ali Reza, where are you in the class? Ali Reza got offline right now. Okay, so we cannot show his words.
Teacher, I hear in the class because but this is the honest the honest with
Oh, you mean?
and I don't learn good. I don't write good.
Okay. No, if you text me on Telegram, I can send you the lessons of last sessions so that you can practice more and you can learn them much better. Why not? Yes, Donya.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can match space between the letters.
Why not? You have this stroke between the letters, so just make them longer or make them short. Make them shorter. Okay, Donya, I will check your words later. Now we have just 20 minutes of time to finish the letters of group number 3. So let's start them and learn them together.
I'm sorry, teacher. Can we have your ID of Telegram?
Yes, I just sent it. I sent it in the public chat. You can see it. Okay. So, let's start with group number 3. So first, let's see if you can read the letters. One of them is really hard to read, but let's see if you can read it. So what is the first one, number 1? Can you read it?
I.
Of course. Yes, it's I. And number 2?
J.
J.
Number 3 is
U.
W.
W. And number 5 is?
P.
That's hard to read. That's the one I said. It's letter
Q. P.
P. Yes. As you can see, it kind of looks like letter P, but yeah, it's how it is. And number 6 is
T.
T. Perfect. So why do you think all of these 6 letters are in the same group? I mean, what do they share in common?
All of them have a part such as E and C, such as C, let us say.
Mm-hmm.
They
Yes.
have and underturn and loop.
Yes. That's right. That is the point, and all of them have an underturn, right? Okay. So let's start learning them one by one with letter I. Okay. But with the entrance stroke of letter I, we have something to do. So, the entrance stroke is not a straight line. It must be a little bit curved, right? So a little bit curved, it would come up, right? So we don't want a straight line. This is a little bit curved, just like that, okay? And after we did this, you would come down exactly parallel to the slant line, like this, and do an underturn, right? So we have a mixture of entrance stroke and an underturn. So, one question. Tell me, where should the lines meet, or where is the overlap point?
On the header line, I think.
No.
Middle of the X, right?
Yes.
Yes, middle of X.
Middle of X height. That's right. So in the middle of X height, the two lines meet each other. Also, for the point of letter I, we put it right here. In here. Okay? I mean, we don't put it down, we don't put it up. It's right here in the middle of the lines number 2 and 3, right? So if you want to see how letter I looks like in your notebook, it looks like this. When you have this letter I, you can easily write letter U, which is like this, right? So, can you tell me which 3 strokes are connected to each other and make letter U?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Entrance stroke.
Yes, Huria. First, we have this entrance stroke. I'm showing with color red. Then,
Underturn.
yes, Huria. We have underturn stroke, which looks like this. I'm showing with color green. And then,
And again, I think underturn.
yes, again underturn. I'm showing with color blue. Right? So this is exactly as easy as you can see. And there are some points we have to consider while writing it. So let me copy this here. Donia said, please share the new PDF of these letters if it's possible. Please share? What do you mean? I should enable the download version of it. So, yes, now you can download this PDF and you can practice. Cool. You're welcome, Donia. So guys, tell me some points we have to consider when we're writing letter U. The first point, or point number 1, is what is something we have to consider?
So we start in the
And we start from the base.
We start from the baseline, yes. And how many times do we touch the baseline?
3 times.
3 times.
3 times, yes. First, second, and third. So for 3 times, we really touch the baseline. And how many times do we touch the header line?
2 times.
Twice, yes. That's right. So once here and once there. Okay. So in 5 points, we touch our guidelines, right? And where is the overlap point of the lines?
Between excite.
Yes, Abed, exactly. In the middle of the excite. One on the left, right here, and also one on the right, in here. So these 2 overlap points are in the middle of excite, okay? And tell me one more point we have to consider. See, in letter U, we have 2 triangles.
Yes, the triangles are at the same.
That's right. One triangle and on the left, here, and one triangle on the right, in here. So these 2 triangles must exactly be the same. Negar said, please write again. I have lots of problems. Okay, Negar, don't worry. I can write it 1,000 times. So first, we have an entrance stroke. Then you have an underturn. You touch the header again. After this, you'll go for another underturn. You'd come up, you come down, and then you move. So this is letter U. As easy as you can see. It's really easy. Yes, Tonya.
The angle, if I wanna to say, the first part is 45 and the other 60 until the last. Is it
Yes, yes.
Even
actually, 3 of them are 45, right? Let me show them with color purple. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 are 45, right?
Just one of them 60.
2 of them are 60, actually. Let me show them with green. This green one you come down is 60, and also this green one you come down is 60.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. So there are these 4 points you have to consider to write a perfect letter U. اگه همین letter U مون یک گره اضافه کنیم, we would have letter W, right? As you can see it in here, right? Like this is all how you do letter U, the entrance stroke, the underturn here, and the other underturn here. But at the end, we need a knot to do at the end, right? And one thing you have to consider for letter W is like, imagine you have 2 glasses of water, and in both of them, you can pour the same amount of water. I mean, if I wanna show it to you, the amount of water on the left side is the same with the amount of water on the right side. You see, both of them are exactly the same.
Like glass.
Yes, exactly, like 2 glasses of water. They must be the same. So, I will write letter W one more time in here, and you can see it. I know I don't even need to write it, but let's write it here. So we have our entrance stroke. We have the first underturn like this, the second underturn like this, and then we have a knot which looks like this, right?
Can I ask a question in Persian?
Okay, sure.
میبخشین استاد این دوتا حالت لیوانی که گفتین حالت کج هست؟
Yes, that's right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Also, guys, don't forget, also in letter W, we have 2 little triangles, one on the left and one on the right. And both of these 2 little triangles must be the same size. Okay.
Teacher, the angle of W is like angle of U.
It's exactly the same. No difference. I mean, it's just like this. 3 of them are 45 and 2 of them are 60. Okay. So if we are done with letter W, we can move to the next. We have 3 more letters to learn and then we're done with today's class. One of them is letter J. Can you tell me which 2 strokes are connected to each other for letter J?
Yes. Entrance and descending log.
Yes, that's right. So this orange part that goes up like a curve is the entrance stroke. And when we come down and make a loop, that's the descending loop, right? So this is how we write letter J. Do I need to write letter J? Come on, it's like really easy. I don't even need to write it. So it's letter J. If you're done, type letter J so we can move to the next one. It's a really simple one. Yes, you're done. Thanks. So we have 2 more letters, letter P and letter T. When we learn these 2, we're done with our today's class. So first one is letter P. In letter P, the size is really important, okay? So pay a really close attention. See, after you start with the entrance stroke, you would come up to here. So can you tell me where here is?
On the between
and stand line.
Yes, in the middle of the slant, middle of line.
On the top of, yes, header line.
Yes, on top of header.
Okay.
Middle of lines number 2 and 3, right there. And from there, you would move down exactly parallel to the slant line up to here, right? So after you make this, let me move it a little bit. Okay. After you come here, this is like you don't get to the descending line, right? It's exactly between the lines number 1 and 4 again. And then you would move up like this. And here we have a compound curve. So here comes the compound curve. Okay. So that is the point, and the things we have to consider is first we have an overlap point, which is here in the middle of
X height.
X height, yes, thank you, Julia. And we also have two lines that are exactly parallel to each other. The first one is this red one. The second one is this red one. So both of these must be exactly 60 degrees and parallel to a slant line. Make sure both of them are parallel. And the other point is we have two turns that must be the same. One turn is on the top and one turn is at the bottom. These two turns must also be the same. همون لیوانایی که تو letter W بود اینجام داریمشون, right? Okay. So it's as easy as you can see for letter P. And finally we have letter T, it's also very simple, right? همون letter I در واقع فقط you come a little bit up. I mean in transit stroke همون رو میریم تا بالا header. After you reach there, you come down and have an underturn. Then you do the crossbar. So let me write letter T one more time. You come up to here. Just like letter P, it's between the lines 2 and 3, right? You'd move down and do an underturn stroke. And then you draw the crossbar. So this is letter T, as easy as you can see.
Sir, please write again.
Yes, of course. You move the entrance stroke up to here on top of the header line, right? And then you start drawing a big underturn, right? And then you do the crossbar at the top. And this is letter T. Also for letter T, we have one triangle that shouldn't be big and shouldn't be small. Also, the overlap point of the lines is in the middle of X height. So, it was all we needed to learn for today. Let's have a review and see which letters did we learn. So, what did we learn? You can turn on your microphones and tell me.
Letter L, B, H, K, F U W J P T E A letter B. No, B. I told you.
Yes, letter B or lowercase b. Yes, that's right. So, how many letters did we learn?
I think 15 letter. I think.
No.
For today.
Yes, today.
10, I think.
For today, we learned 11 letters, exactly. Like we had 6 letters for, let me see if we have it here. Yes, we had 6 letters in group 3, and we had 5 letters in group 2, so we learned 11 letters. Dunya, you can download the PDF of this session and you can check the PDF later at home and practice more. Now we have to end the class because my next class is started. So if you had any questions, you can leave me a message at any time, and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.